Welcome to Mr. Hove's math class. We've been taking a look at area, and I introduced the formula for area last time, but today I want to explain how did we come to develop this formula. So we're going to take a look at this rectangle I've drawn over here on the floor. And again, these are square foot tiles, so each side of one of these tiles is 1 square foot. So let's start by counting the tiles in here to find out how many square feet it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's simple enough to do because it's a pretty small rectangle. So I can tell you with certainty that the area of this rectangle is 6 square feet. But let's look again at that formula. Our formula for the area is we need to know the distance of the base. So here's our base. And that is 3 feet equals B for base. And the height of our rectangle here is 2, or 2 feet, equals H, or our height. And area is simply base times, and now this little dot can also stand for multiplication, and H. It helps us because since we're using letters here, an X, we wouldn't know if that was another variable or not. So here we have the formula for the area of our rectangle. And now we just need to plug in our areas, our variables. The base here is 3 feet times the height, which is 2 feet, gives us our answer of 6 square feet. And we can see that by looking here. Here we have 2 square feet, then 4, then 6. How many groups of 2 did we have? We had 1, 2, 3, which is the same thing as our base. So let's look at how the formula for area applies on a smaller scale. Here I have inch grid paper. So each side here is exactly 1 inch. And I'll measure it just to prove it to you. Each side is 1 inch. So we know again, if we wanted to calculate this by counting, we could see here that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 5 square inches in this column here. And we could simply count by 5s. We could have 5, 10, 15, 20. So this rectangle is 20 square inches. And we can check that by using our formula. Here's the height of our rectangle, which we know is 5 inches. And the base of our rectangle, which we know is 4 inches. 4 inches is equal to our base, and 5 inches is the height. And I have my formula here, area equals base times height, and I can plug it in to check it. Area equals 4 times 5, and that's 20 inches squared.